Good morning, all of you. Good morning, students. Last class, we discussed the Constitution, the Indian Constitution. We discussed what is Constitution, and we discussed the Britishers came to India, which administered in India. One was Britishers came in India, the 1600 AD, and came Britishers so many years administered in India. To last class historical background of Indian Constitution, all how to administrate the Britishers. When was came to India, how to fight the Indian peoples. The last class. When was we get the independence in you know today we will discuss the going on to the making of Indian Constitution. The making of Indian Constitution. To Constitution. To Constitution. What is Constitution? Administrative, the state and central administration formed by the how to administrate. Today the Constitution how to making the first so many members the participate in India, so many members participation by the making of Constitution. The Britishers lived in India. The Britishers stayed to how to administration you say, and the proof of give to me, and the first making of all the Indian peoples, the Indian freedom fighters, the started the making of Indian Constitution. The Indian Constitution, the first the cabinet mission and the majority political parties, the reached and the agreement on the Constitution of Assembly. The first the Constitution Assembly set up in 1946. The Constitution Assembly, the setup, the first session, and the Constitution Assembly, the setup in 1946. The elections to be conducted, Constitutional Assembly is to be indirected, and they are elected the Legislative Assembly of the provinces. The first started the setup to the Constitutional Assembly in 1946. The next one, the first elections conducted because of the formation of Constitution. The Constituent Assembly is the indirectly and they are going to be elected by the legislative assemblies of the provinces. How many legislative assemblies in this time? The 292 seats were elected by the British Indian provinces in the 93 native states. The total seats in the legislative assemblies are 292 seats, and the native states in the 93 seats. Total strength of the Constitutional Assembly are 385 members. Total Constitutional Assembly members. Total strength of the Constitutional Assembly to be 385 members. These these are followed by the these are members conduct the elections in 1946. The total strength of the Constitutional Assembly is now 385 members. When was started in the Constitutional Assembly? 1946. How many provinces in India have legislative assembly members? 385 members. This is very important section of the making of Indian Constitution. So many times competitive exams even to the making of Constitution. The so many times asking that when was the Constitutional Assembly is established in India? When was the Constitutional Assembly is established in India? 1946. When was it? The Constitution Legislative Assembly's provisions. Assembly provisions in which 385 provisions in India. The time of 1946. At the time of 1946, total strength of the legislative strength is the 385 members. This conduct the elections in the provision of the Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution making. This process totally strength 385 members. The first meeting totally the first Constitutional Assembly set up in which time? The Constitutional Assembly. The first meeting held on the Constitutional Assembly. First meeting held on. All of it right now. The Constitutional Assembly first meeting held on December 9th, 1946. Held on December 9th, 1946. The first meeting because of the Constitutional Assembly set up and Constitutional Assembly elections is completed, and after the first meeting ending on the 1946 December 9th, because of the elected the chairman of the Constitution. Who is the chairman of Constitution? The chairman of Constitution. Chairman of Constitution. The chairman of Constitution, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The first meeting held on because of the chairman elected the chairman of the Constitution is the Dr. Rajendra Prasad elected. These are the chairman of the Constitution. At the formation of the Constitution, the first chairman of Constitution is the Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad is the chairman of Constitution. At the end of the Constitution have started. So many members help to the Constitution. The some members, the important members are these different provisions. The important members are the Constitutional Assembly. They are very important members. Members are Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad, Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad. Next one, Jawaharlal Nehru. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. These are very important persons of the constitution making time. These are observe the constitution, how to making very important things is which important things are also observed by the these members are all these members are to observe the constitution. The another one very important person of the drafting committee chairman. All the members, every persons, Indian people, every persons, every villages, statues are there. Statues are there. Every village, every place, every village of every city and every town, Indian level, every place, to every person, to the the, the drafting committee chairman. Who is the drafting committee chairman? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Chairman of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. These are the constant administrator, is the drafting committee chairman. The first the Constitution Assembly first meeting held on the December 9th, 1946. The formation of the chairman of Constitution, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Very important persons and observers in the Constitution, the Rajendra Prasad and Jawaharlal Nehru and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And next one, the very important person are to the drafting committee chairman of the Indian Constitution are to the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. These are we are observing and we are totally followed by the members. All right, the constitution, how to administration in India, how to develop the India, the very important things on the right down to the Indian constitution. So many countries, constitutions refer after a very important things are given, take them to the right down in the Indian constitution. Thus, the constitution completed. That took the totally the Constitutional Assembly prepared the constitution. The 10th total time of the constitution. Here now, Allah wrote down the constitution also the setup in the first meeting held in the December 9th and the 1946. The first chairman of the Indian Constitution, the Rajendra Prasad. The important persons in the Indian Constitution are the Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajendra Prasad and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The drafting committee chairman also the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. These are members to the followed by the Indian Constitution. Time of the Constitution completed the total time of the Constitution took the time. The totally the constitution it took the 2 years and 11 months and it took 2 years 11 months and 18 days. 2 years and 11 months and 18 days. For the Constitutional Assembly, for the prepare the Constitution for the Constitutional Assembly, for the Constitution Assembly, prepare the Constitution, prepare the Constitution. Total taken the time of the constitution because of so many countries constitutions referred and take them to important things and write down in Indian constitution. They took the time of 2 years and 11 months and 18 days. So many textbooks are mistake in the days. So many textbooks and materials in 17 days in the textbooks and materials. These are the mistake. All the correct the number 18 days. The correct number are the 18 days. 2 years, 11 months and 18 days completed the constitution. Total strength of the constitution. Total strength of the constitution 385 members and the total strength of the constitution. Total taken time of the constitution 2 years and 11 months and 80 days. The constitution. Totally Indian constitution making and total amendments and schedules. How many amendments and how many schedules have the Indian constitution? Totally 2 years and 11 months and 80 days. Totally 2 years and 11 months and 80 days. Total schedules. The constitution having on the Indian constitution had add on 395 articles. 395 articles have in Indian constitution. 8 schedules. 8 schedules. 8 schedules. The Indian constitution had all 395 articles and 8 schedules have in Indian constitution. The truly nearby into the 300 pages. Better than the other compared to the other constitutions. The Indian constitution biggest and the lengthy constitution. The example for the American constitution have 7 pages only. Indian constitution have 300 pages only. The small constitution have the Indian America. The Indian constitution so many pages. 300 pages have the Indian constitution. Okay, understand? Okay, this truly nearly into the 300 pages have in the Indian constitution. Write down all of you. Totally, the constitution had all the 395 articles and 8 schedules. The ruling table into the 300 pages. Total Indian constitution have in the total completed. This the constitution. How much time taken to the Indian constitution? The took the 2 years and 11 months and 18 days for the constitution also taken the time of the constitution is completed. 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. Because of that, so many countries the constitution are referred and so many important things are taken and adding in the money to our constitution. So much of time taken by the making of the constitution. Okay, understand? These are called to the so many So many times asked in the competitive exam, how much taken the Indian Constitution completed the time 2 years and 11 months and 80 days. When the Indian Constitution had how much articles and how many schedules they have in the time of the Indian Constitution making and the 395 articles and 8 schedules on the time of the 1950 onwards. Because of the how many pages have in Indian Constitution approximately 300 pages have in the Indian Constitution. That is the length and the rigidity Constitution and the Indian Constitution. Compared to the other Constitution and the American Constitution have the only 7 pages and the Indian Constitution have the so much of pages in the large pages in the 300 pages have the Indian Constitution. Okay, I'll understand. Write down. Okay, the Constitution adopted by the Constitutional Assembly. The Constitutional Assembly. The Constitution adopted to the Constitutional Assembly. This time, which year? The Constitution. The adopted by the Constituent Assembly on the adopted by the Constitutional Assembly on Constitutional Assembly on November 26, November 26, 1949. The Constitution, the completed and adapted to the Constitutional Assembly on November 26 and 1947 is accepted by the Constitution by the Constitutional Assembly. The signature of the original copy, the Assembly on the adopted by the 19 November 26 and 1947. The totally affects the signature on the constitutional copy on the January 24. The Constitutional Assembly, the signature on the Constitutional Assembly, signature on January 24, 1950. The Constitutional Assembly adopted by the Constitution November 26 and 1949. Constitutional Assembly signature by the Constitution January 24 and 1950. When was the Constitution is forced in India? The Constitutional Assembly, the Constitution and inaugurated on the Constitution inaugurated the Constitution elaborated on January 26, 1950. The Constitution elaborated on the January 26 and 1950. The Constitution in the inauguration. The connected by the 1950 January. It was the 20th anniversary of the day. The National Congress adopted by the resolution of the Purna Swaraj. The National Congress, Indian National Congress, Indian Indian National Congress, Indian National Congress announced to the Indian National Congress, Indian National Congress adopted the resolution of resolution of Purna Swaraj. What is called? What is called? Purna Swaraj. The Indian National Congress adopted the resolution of the Purna Swaraj is called to the another name. Republic Day is called to the another one. Or Republic Day also celebrated the January 26th. Is all called to the total administration and the Constitutional Assembly is the force in India. When was the Indian Constitution force in India? 1950 January 26th. Onwards, Indian National Congress is the adopted the resolution of the Purna Swaraj. Because of another one is called to the Republic Day also called to the this time. January 26 also called to the Republic Day. We have to since in the becoming the Republic Day. Every time we have to since in the becoming the Republic Day of India. Every since that's the time. 1950 also since to the every year we celebrated the all India the celebrated the Republic Day and the Purna Swaraj also celebrated the every time every year like January 26 all the people Indian peoples also celebrated the Republic Day. Then the time of the Constitution Indian drafted the Constitution in the completed the Indian independence is called to Purna Swaraj mean the completed to independent. All we have to the total administration on have in India. So administration started. The totally the India we have to the independence in 1947 and the constitution of the force in the 1950. Total Purna Swaraj independence have in India. Then the started 1950 also January 26 also started in the Indian Constitution force in India. All the members enjoy to the own administration in India. All the members also followed by the own administration in India. All the members, so many freedom fighters sacrifice the life after we take the independence and so many freedom fighters sacrifice the life and so many freedom fighters death in the situation of the constitution and the independence time. So many sacrifices of the lives and so many people's death after the take came to the independence. All the members and all the freedom fighters and all the sacrifices families also they enjoyed the people. That was enjoyed the total Britishers fall down to the land. Total we also celebrate the Republic Day also. All Indian peoples enjoy to this day because of Purna Swaraj is came to India. One administration also started in 1950 January 26. When the time of the total Indian Constitution draft constitution had the total 15 articles and 13 schedules, but the final form of the constitution we now do 395 articles and 8 schedules. Totally Indian Constitution have the articles Indian Constitution have 395 articles and schedules, 8 schedules. 8 schedules they having. Then the draft time, the constitution, the draft constitution have draft time 315 articles and 13 schedules. 13 schedules also and the drafting time. The final time of India have the 395 articles and 8 schedules and the final of the constitution and the adapted by the constitution goes by the time of the total articles in 395 articles, 8 schedules. Total time of taken by the Indian constitution making of the 2 years and 11 months and 18 days. Because of one was saying that the constitution members taking the time, a lot of time, because of so many countries constitutions and referring the so important things and referring important points the taking and write down in our constitution. So the take a lot of time and years and 11 months are the 18 days taking the approximately 3 years taking the time of the constitution completed. Okay, we also followed the every person presenting 1947 since the 1947, 1950 since the 1950, and the present also followed by the Indian constitution. There is no change. Every person who came to the parties, who came to the political parties, came to the administration, we followed the constitution of India. The principles of constitution of India also followed by every person. There is no just changes. All the members also followed by the constitution of assembly, constitution amendments, constitutional articles also followed by the administrators. Oh no, okay. This class, all of you know to the making of Indian constitution. Very important 2 marks, 5 marks question, and also so many times asking the competitive bits also asking the making of Indian constitution. When was the set up in the constitution assembly? When was the formation of the first meeting held in the which time? First meeting held in 1946 December 9th. When was the constitution adopted? 1949 November 26th. The chairman of the constitution, Rajendra Prasad. Drafting committee chairman of the constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So many times he is called to, he asked the bits. When was the constitution? How much time taken the constitution completed? 2 years and 11 months and 18 days. You know? Okay? These are called to the followed by the bits. All the members, candidate preparated members and all the students, they carefully listen and they carefully write down the points every time. Useful to the every person. The competitive purpose also very important. Every competitive exam asking the 1 or 2 bits are asking the making of constitution. Okay, GK purpose and general purpose also ask the bits. Understand all of you? They carefully listen and write down to the notes. Okay, the next class you know to the last class also know to the what is constitution and the historical background of the constitution. Today also know to the making of constitution. Tomorrow also the out more time taken to the constitution. Why? You know to sources of constitution. Tomorrow also know to the sources of constitution. Sources of constitution. Where constitution? Other constitution refers. Which country constitution refer? Which country constitution? Taking the points. Write down to the Indian constitution. Now tomorrow you know the tomorrow you know to the sources of constitution. Okay, understand? Okay, thank you and all. You write all of you students and carefully write down. Very important lesson, and this lesson I have the 19 marks. First one 2 marks question 1, 10 marks question 1, 5 marks question also. These are this question is also 5 marks question, making of constitution. Tomorrow also now to the 5 marks question. The sources of constitution. Understand? Okay, carefully listen and write down to the notes and write down the notes. Okay, thank you. Next class, next day, tomorrow you all know to the making up. Tomorrow you know to the sources of constitution. Thank you and all.